What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Captain Fiddles from the Garden of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top of that circle. We want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye. So we're going to start on the top left. Just want to leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the outside of the tusk, just underneath the left eye. I'm just going to bend this out and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the ends with a curve and bring this down the middle and then back up towards the right side. Let's go back to the top of the tusk. I'm just going to taper this down and then in. Round up the inside and bend that back out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to wrap the mouth around the side of the tusk. Starting down here, come around and then back in along the side. Let's line this up along the inside of the tusk, bend the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's move down and draw the tongue, going up and then back down. And we'll fill the top area of the mouth in black. Now we're going to move down in the center and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up on the outside. Now to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot, and bend this up and pull that down, aim towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there, with a little gap on the inside. Let's go to the top of the foot, step out. I'm just going to curve the side of the leg, going out, up, and then in. Let's go to the right side, step out, go out, up, and then in. Let's round out the hips, and just bend that back out toward the side. Now let's layer the arms in behind the body. From the top left, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then down. Let's go to the right, do the same thing. Now I'm going to round up the forearm, coming down, and then back out towards the bottom of the arm. Let's round up the tip of the arm, come around the side, go up, and then in towards the base of the shoulders. Now we're going to bump out the shoulder. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up, round up the shoulder, and then pull that in. Now let's close off the top with a curve. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down towards the right. Now you want to add some veins across the top of the body and the arms. Let's start from the outside on the left. Just going to wiggle this line coming in about halfway. Just going to branch this off. And I'm just going to work our way across the top of the head and then down towards the right. Just adding these wiggly lines. go over towards the right shoulder. Again, just branching those off. Let's add one more on the inside of the right arm. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Captain Fiddles from the Garden of Ban Ban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.